Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I absolutely love playing tennis every year, and this bag from VIV Tennis is so cool. What's really nice about it is you can place everything that you need to get going for an afternoon of tennis in this hopper bag. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the first thing that's really awesome about this bag is that it has a stand. You simply bring it back just like this and flip the bag over, and then you can have this with you on the courts. Another thing that's really cool is you have room to place your rackets, so you take them with you, and you have a little extra storage right here up top, maybe for some water or your wallet, whatever you need to bring with you. Then of course you have your room for your balls at the bottom. So you can go ahead and just stack the balls, throwing them in, keeping them ready for playing the game. When you're done at the courts, all you have to do is use the bottom and pick up all of your tennis balls. So you really have everything that you need with you. Another thing that's awesome is this has a handle just like a set of luggage. So you go ahead and just flip it over, and then you can bring that with you. Really makes everything nice and easy to bring with you to the tennis courts and have everything with you all the time in your car so that you can be ready to play anytime. This is a really well-made bag as well. You can see the fabric is nice and thick, the details on the zippers is really cool, and you just have a nice spot for everything, keeping everything with you for your afternoon of tennis. So absolutely love this bag from VIV Tennis. It's so useful and portable, and that's just my point of view.